0x80600460. The 0x80600460 error usually happens when the game cannot connect to Horizon Life online servers. This is commonly caused by Xbox networking problems, Teredo issues, blocked NAT, DNS conflicts, VPNs, or temporary server outages. Follow these fixes step by step. Chat Fix 1. Check Xbox and Forza servers before changing anything. Make sure Xbox online services are working. FH6 online servers are not under maintenance. If servers are down, matchmaking will not work until they come back online. Fix 2. Restart your network. Step 1. Completely close the game. Step 2. Restart router, modem, PC. Step 3. Launch the game again and try connecting to Horizon Life. Fix 3. Sign out and back into Xbox app. Open, you can see the code in our conversation history. Sign out, close the app completely, reopen it, sign back in with the same Microsoft account linked to Steam. Now, relaunch the game. Fix 4, repair Xbox networking, Teredo. Step 1 search. You can see the code in our conversation history or on newer Windows versions. You can see the code in our conversation history. Step 2, check. NAT type, server connectivity. If it says blocked, Teredo unable to qualify, server connectivity blocked, continue below. Fix 5, run these commands. Open command prompt as administrator and run. You can see the code in our conversation history, restart your PC afterward. Fix 6, enable Teredo open command prompt as administrator. Run, you can see the code in our conversation history. Then run, you can see the code in our conversation history. Make sure Teredo is not disabled. Restart the PC. Fix 7, disable VPN DNS filters, temporarily disable VPN, AdGuard, custom DNS, Pi-hole network filters, ton mode apps. These can block Xbox multiplayer services. Fix 8, allow the game through firewall open. You can see the code in our conversation history. Go to, you can see the code in our conversation history. Make sure these are allowed on both private and public. Forza Horizon 6, Steam, Xbox app, gaming services. Fix 9, set correct date and time. Incorrect system time can break Xbox authentication. Go to, you can see the code in our conversation history. Enable, set time automatically, set time zone automatically. Restart the PC. Fix 10, reinstall gaming services. Open PowerShell as administrator. Run, you can see the code in our conversation history. Restart the PC. Then reinstall gaming services from Microsoft Store. Fix 11, change DNS. Try using Google DNS. Preferred DNS, you can see the code in our conversation history. Alternate DNS, you can see the code in our conversation history. Restart the network afterward. Fix 12, enable UPnP on router. Some routers block Xbox multiplayer ports. Log into your router settings and enable. You can see the code in our conversation history, save changes, and restart the router. Additional notes.